Well, good morning. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. So I'm just gonna stay home today and probably do some rearranging and putting away stuff. So this one here, it came with butterflies. So the last time I couldn't put it on because I had my surgery. So now I can put it together. It was really hard to squeeze anything at that time. So now, so I had my carpal tunnel surgery, was it March 5th? March, April, May. Wow, it's been 2 months and look at that. It's really, you guys can see, like, there's like really no scar. You can't even tell. It's still a little bit numb here and hard. But other than that, you just gotta watch how you use your hand. Don't overdo it, because sometimes when I overdo it, the whole arm gets sore. Yeah. So as long as you know, and I feel like that was a really needed surgery because I was in a lot of pain. So those of you that are afraid to get this thing, I mean, if you're in a lot of pain, just go and get it. It does. I mean, my doctor was a great surgeon, so maybe if you don't have a good one, then you might be scared. But he did my shoulder surgery as well, so I already knew that he was pretty good, right? So yeah, if you're scared of getting a carpal tunnel surgery, don't be scared, because I'm not in any kind of pain like I was before. Yeah, so that is wonderful. I would just move a little ways, get shocked in my whole arm. It just was miserable. So yeah, that was a good I'm glad I got it. Okay, so not too sure if I have any more of the butterflies. That's okay. Sometimes you just want a place where you can feel nice about, so just leave it there. Okay. Watch out in the back. Oop. So that's just my little work area. Excuse me. Woozy. Yeah. So not too sure if I'm gonna keep it that way for the desk, but for now that's what's happening. I put my clock up. Got it. have to take a break. I'm in some pain. My hand is sore. But anywho, yes, I'm gonna do something with this hair today. Don't worry, guys. I will do something. Okay, so I'm just frying some chicken right now. I'm just putting some paprika on there. So drumsticks I am frying. It's about 11. I'm just having my breakfast and lunch together. Okay, let's try and put the chicken inside. Should be. And then I'm putting some panko on there as well. Panko. And then some salt. And then I'm gonna cook some rice as well. It's kind of like relaxing just to be home and don't have to work without being sick or anything. You know what I'm saying? Usually the days that I took off was because I was sick or in surgery and stuff like that. So there was really no vacation or, you know, sometimes you just get really tired from work. And then sometimes you just want to stay home, you know. That's me. And I think me and Navia are really adapting well to this new house. I mean, she doesn't even try to go back to the other house or anything. Because we're just in the same area. We just moved a little bit more down. But when we go walking, I thought she would be like wanting to go to the other house. But I think she's really liking this area too. Me too, I've been liking it. So I'm just kind of like, let me cover it a little bit, just so all the oil and stuff too, and then maybe it can cook inside. I know that might take some water and stuff, but it's a little bit big. There, it still has air. I'm not a chef or anything, okay guys? So one time I was making some salmon and asparagus, and I was like, I'm not trying to make it really flavorful where I'm going to put a lot of salt because I don't want to have too much salt in my diet. And this person, I guess, is like a chef, and he was like, oh, come on now, you can do better. But that's what I'm trying to do. I'm not trying to do better. I'm just trying to make it a simple meal, right? If he's trying to get ideas from people on YouTube, then maybe he should do better. Right? Yeah, I know. I'm a sassy girl, just like Nevaeh. Okay. I'm gonna maybe make some bacon sandwich later. Okay, so I also have eggplant and tomato. I'm just gonna like fry that up, I guess. Oh, I have to use it already because it's looking like it's getting old already or something. So let me just make my rice. I'll be right back because I know you guys don't want to be like hanging out while I'm cooking. She's hanging out while I'm cooking. Yeah? You okay there? So I did a little bit of the mopping and stuff, but still gotta put stuff away. Not sure where. Yeah. Okay, so my rice isn't done, so I'm just gonna eat this, the eggplant, chicken, and I got some dinner rolls, so I'm like hungry right now. It doesn't look appetizing, but I'm hungry. Alrighty, so I did dye my hair and I'm about to go to sleep soon, so I will close out this video. I did some cleaning, still got a lot more to do. Yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video.